Hello students, welcome to the math class. Today we are going to discuss chapter of class 8 cube and cube roots. When we talk about geometry, cube is a 3D figure where the all three sides are equal. But here we are going to discuss about the cube and cube roots of number. So what is the cube? When we multiply any number 3 times, it's called the cube of that number. Okay, suppose we are having 2 and we multiply 2 3 times. So this is the cube of 2 and we write down like this, 2 raised to the power 3. What is the value of 2 raised to the power 3? 2 multiply 3 times, what it will come? 8. Okay, when we talk about cube of 3, so 3 multiply by 3 times and we write down 3 raised to the power 3 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. Okay, this is the cube. Now next topic is perfect cube. How to check that the given number is a perfect cube or not. Suppose we are having any number 125. So check the given number is a perfect cube or not. Then how to check? First we find the prime factorization of 125. So let's do the prime factorization of 125. 5 2s are 10, 5s are 5, 5s are and 5 1s are. So factor of 125 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5. So this is the triplet of 5. Okay, if the numbers come, same number come 3 times, okay, so it means this is a perfect cube number. This is a perfect cube number if it is comes in the triplet form. Same as it is, we take another example, 343. When we do the factor of 343, 7 7s are and 7 1s are. It means the factor of 343 comes 7 into 7 into 7. The triplet of 7. 3 times 7 will come. It means 343 is also be a perfect cube number. Okay. Now next move on. Cube roots. Cube root. What is the cube root? The sign of cube root is like this and write down 3 here. Okay, this is the sign of cube root. Now how to find the cube root of any given number? Suppose we are having any number, find the cube root of, we can take 343, find the cube root of 343. So first we will do the factor of 343, prime factorization. First we do the prime factorization of 343. Do it. 343. Okay. 7 4 ja 9. 7 7 ja 7 1 ja. Okay. How many times 7 come? We write down within a cube root sign. 7 into 7 into 7. This is the prime factor of 343. We write down within a cube root sign and after that we will make the triplet. There is only one triplet of 7. Okay, when this triplet come outside from the cube root sign, we will write down 1 times. Okay, so the cube root of 343 is equal to 7. Okay beta, now this is about cube root. Okay, now the next topic is, suppose the question is by what smallest number 100 should be multiplied that it becomes a perfect cube, because 100 is not a perfect cube. When we do the factors, that it will not comes in the triplet form. Okay, so the question is what smallest number 100 should be multiplied that it becomes a perfect cube. How to become a perfect cube? Which number we will multiply 100 that it becomes a perfect cube? So first, how to find that number? First we do the prime factor of 100. Okay, so do the prime factor of 100. 2 5s are 0, 2 2 are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Okay, and then write down the factors. 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. We need to make 100 perfect cube. So in perfect cube we know that we need a triplet form, but here 2 comes 2 times only and 5 come 2 times only. So we need one more 2 and one more 5. When we multiply by one more 2 and one more 5, then it will be becomes a perfect cube, because after that we are having the triplet 2 3 times, 5 3 times. So it will be a perfect cube. So we need to multiply to 1 2 and 1 5. It means we need to multiply this number by 10. Okay, we need to multiply this number by 10 to make a perfect cube. When we multiply by 10, then it becomes 1000, and 1000 is the perfect cube. Okay, and the cube root of 1000 will be 10. Okay, the cube root of 1000 will be 10. Okay, now the next question, by which number we should multiply 100, it's become a perfect cube. Now the next number, by which number okay, and the next types of question, by which number we should be divided by, we should be divided that it becomes a perfect cube. Suppose we are having any number 81. Okay, so, by which number 80 should be divided by, that it becomes a 81 should be divided by, that is becomes a perfect cube. So first we do the prime factor of 81. Do it. 3 2s are 7 ja, 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. Okay, so which number we should multiply? So first we write down the factors. 81's factors is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So this is one triplet. This 3 is extra. Okay, this 3 is extra. So when we divided 81 by 3, so it becomes a perfect cube. Okay, when we divide 81 by 3, so it becomes a perfect cube. It means 81 divided by 3, and the perfect cube of that number will be 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. It means the cube root of 27 will be 3. Okay beta, so this is all about cube and cube roots. Let's do some questions from exercises. So the question number 1, the question is, find minus 7 by 3 cube. Okay, cube. So we know that how to find the cube. We will multiply that number 3 times. Okay, but here is the minus sign also. Okay, the cube of negative sign always will come negative. Let's see, minus 7 by 3 cube. So minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7 upon 3 into 3 into 3, minus 343 upon 27. This is the cube of minus 7 by 3. When we find out the cube of the number negative sign, then answer will come negative. If we find the square, then it will come positive. It means if minus sign, okay, minus sign power is even number 2, 4, 6, 8, then answer will always will come positive. And if negative number degree is odd number 3, 5, 7, 99, then answer will also always come negative sign with negative sign. Okay beta, so let's move on. Question number 4. Question number 2 and 3 is very easy, you can try yourself. Question number 4 is, question number 4, find the cube root is the fraction minus 125 upon 64. If you know that the factor of 125, then you can write down directly. Otherwise, first do the prime factor of 125 and then do the prime factor of 64. So it will be, first we write down in the cube root form minus 125 minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 upon 64. 4 into 4, 16 into 4, 64. This is the cube of 4. Okay, so cube of number and the cube root is just converse. It just reverse of cube. Okay, if the cube of 4 is 64, it means the converse, the cube root of 64 will be 4. Okay, so it will be, now triplet of minus 5 when come outside from the cube root sign, it will be minus 5. And when triplet of 4 come outside from the cube root sign, it will be 4. So the answer is minus 5 by 4. Okay beta, now next question, question number 5. The question is, find the least number by which 5488 should be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. By which number 5488 multiply that it becomes a perfect cube, and also that find the cube root of that perfect cube. So for finding that number, first we do the prime factor of 5488. 5488, do the prime factor. Okay, the last is 8, so it will go by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14, 2 4 ja 2 4 ja, again 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 7 ja 40, 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 4 ja 3 ja. Now 7 4 ja 28, then 9 ja 7, 7 ja 49, 7 1 ja. Okay, so write down 5488. The factor of 5488 is equal to 1 2 3 4. 2 4 times 1 2 3 4 and 7 comes 3 times. 1 2 3. Okay, after that, making a perfect cube, we will make the triplet. So first triplet is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is alone here. 7 into 7 into 7 is second triplet. Now which number we will multiply that it becomes a triplet form? So we multiply by 2 2 times, it means 4. 2 1 more 1 2 and 1 more 2, then it becomes a triplet. 1 2 3, it means we need to multiply by 4. Okay, so that least number will be 4. Okay, when we multiply by 4 and 5488, that it becomes a perfect cube. So the smallest number, that least number is 4. Okay, and then the question is, what is the cube root of that perfect number? So 2 1 times we write down, and then this 3 2, it means 2 will comes, find the cube root of that perfect number. So cube root of this 2 comes 3 times, 3 into 7 comes 3 times, 7 cube, and 2 1 2 and 2 2 is here 2 3 times. Okay, when it will go outside from the cube sign, so we will write 2 1 times, 7 1 times and 2 1 times. So the cube root of the perfect cube number will be 2 into 7, 14 into 2, 28. So cube root is 28 and the least number is 4. Okay beta, first we find the prime factor, write down that prime factor, then make the triplet of the given numbers of the factors, and 2 is alone here. It means we need to multiply by 2 times, then it will be a triplet form. So 2 into 2 into 2, and after that the question is find the cube root of this product. Then 2 3 times, 2 3 times, and 7 3 times. So the cube root of that number will be 2 into, when it comes outside from the cube root sign, we will write 1 times 2, 1 times 7, and 1 times 2. How it will be cancelled? The cube root sign means 2 cube. Let's see here. 2 raised to the power 3, and the sign of cube root means whole raised to the power 1 by 3. This 3 will cancel, it will left only 2. That's why we write down 1 times 2 into 7 into 2. So the answer will be 28. Okay, now next move on the last question, question number 6. This is the last question for today. Okay beta. The question number 6 is same like question number 5, but here which number we will divide. Find that the least number 5184 should be divided to make it a perfect cube. Also find the cube root of that perfect cube number. Okay, so 5184, the same method. First we do the prime factorization of the 5184. It will go by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja, 2 9 ja, 2 2 ja. Again 2, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 9 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 3 ja 6, 2 ja 4 ja, 2 1 ja 2 6 ja, and 2 2 ja. Now 2 16, 2 8 ja, 2 1 ja, 81, 3 27 times, then 3 9 times, 3 3 times, and 3 1 times. Okay, after that write down the prime factors. So 5184 is equal to 2 how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 into 2, 3 4 5 6, and 3 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. After that we will make the triplet of the numbers factors. Okay, this is one triplet, 1 2 3 3, and 1 2 3, 2 triplets. And when we make the triplet of 3, 3 into 3 into 3, 3 times. 1 3 is extra. This 1 3 is extra. It means when we divided this number by 3, then it will be a perfect cube, because 2 comes 3 times, 2 comes 3 times, 2 is coming 3 times, this 2 is coming 3 times, and this 3 is coming 3 times, but this one is alone. So when what will be the extra? What will be the extra? We will divide that number by this extra number. So we should divide 5184 divided by 3, and we divided by 3, then it will be a perfect cube, and the perfect cube will be 2 raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 3. When will come outside from the cube root sign, then it will be 2 into 2 into 3. Answer is 12. Okay, the cube root of that number is 12, and the least number is 3. Least number is divided this number. Least number is 3, and the cube root of that number will be 12. Okay beta, so this is all about cube and cube root. Now you will do the practice of this chapter. Okay, thank you.